Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to add your EBT card to Google Pay in 2025. If you're receiving benefits like SNAP or other assistance, this step-by-step guide will help you link your card seamlessly for faster, contactless payments. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Google Pay app is up to date. Head over to your device's App Store, search for Google Pay, and install any available updates. This is crucial because 2025 brings enhanced security features to protect your financial info. Once you're all set, open the Google Pay app on your smartphone. You'll see your home screen with options like Pay or Profile. Tap on the Payment Methods section. It's usually at the bottom or in the menu. Here, look for the Add Card or Add Payment Method button. It's that simple. Now, select EBT Card from the list of card types. You'll be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and any security code if required. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any errors. Google Pay might ask for verification, like a one-time code sent to your phone or email, so keep an eye on that. After entering the details, hit Save or Add Card. Google Pay will process it quickly, usually in seconds. Once added, you can set it as your default payment method if you want. Pro tip: always review your transaction history in the app to ensure everything's secure. One more thing. If you run into issues, like the card not being accepted, check if your EBT program supports Google Pay in your state. You might need to contact your benefits provider for confirmation. That's it. You're now ready to use your EBT card with Google Pay for everyday purchases. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.